In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font in GIMP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a new font, install it correctly, and make sure GIMP recognizes it the next time you create a design. First, download a font in either .ttf or .otf format. These are the two standard font types GIMP understands. TrueType fonts use the .tttf extension, and OpenType fonts use .otf. Both will work well for most projects. Choose a reputable source so you avoid corrupted or restricted files, and pay attention to any license notes that come with the font if you plan to use it commercially. After downloading, locate the actual .ttf or .otf file in your Downloads folder or wherever you saved it. If the font came inside a compressed archive like a zip, extract it so you can see the individual font files clearly before moving on. Next, right-click the font file. This opens your system's context menu and is the quickest way to access the install options. If you see more than one file for the same font, such as regular, bold, and italic, each one can be installed using the exact same process, and they'll show up as part of the same family once GIMP recognizes them. Now, click Install or Install for all users. Choosing Install typically adds the font to your personal user account, which is perfect if you're the only one who needs it. Install for all users places it system-wide so everyone on the computer can access it. Depending on your setup, you might be asked to confirm or enter your system password. That's normal. It just means the system is adding the font to the correct location so apps like GIMP can find it. Finally, restart GIMP. Fully close the application and open it again so it can rescan your system fonts. GIMP reads fonts from your operating system each time it launches, so this refresh is what makes the new typeface appear. After GIMP reopens, your installed font will be available alongside your existing collection. If you installed multiple styles, they'll typically appear grouped under the same family name. Sometimes it can take a brief moment for large font libraries to load, so a short pause after launching is normal. If the font doesn't show up after restarting, double-check that the file you installed ends in .ttf or .otf, and that the install process completed without errors. Then try closing and reopening GIMP again. That's all there is to it. Download the font, right-click the file, click Install or Install for all users, and restart GIMP to start using your new typeface in your projects.